Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Like you're constantly racing against the clock, trying to get everything done? What if I told you there's a secret weapon that the most productive people are using right now to save hours, not days, but hours, every single week? It's not some futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it. We're talking about artificial intelligence. But forget the complicated sci-fi stuff. I'm talking about simple, free, and incredibly powerful AI tools that are changing the game for everyone, from students to entrepreneurs to content creators. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete toolkit to automate tedious tasks, boost your creativity, and reclaim your valuable time. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to write these down. Let's start with the one you've probably heard of, the king of the AI world right now, ChatGPT. If you think ChatGPT is just for writing essays, you're only scratching the surface. Think of it as your personal brainstorming partner, your research assistant, and your creative co-writer all rolled into one. Need to come up with 10 video ideas for your channel? Just ask stuck on how to phrase a difficult email to your boss. ChatGPT can give you 5 different versions in seconds. It can summarize long articles, explain complex topics in simple terms, and even help you write code. It's like having a genius on call 24/7. The key is to be specific with your prompts. Instead of saying write about marketing, try create a 30-day social media content plan for a new coffee shop, focusing on Instagram Reels and community engagement. The more detail you give, the more powerful the results. It's a foundational tool that will completely change how you approach any task that involves text. Next up, let's talk about making sure everything you write is perfect. Whether it's an important email, a resume, or a social media post, mistakes can make you look unprofessional. That's where Grammarly comes in. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's just a spell checker, right? Wrong. The AI-powered Grammarly goes way beyond basic spelling and grammar. It analyzes your writing for clarity, tone, and conciseness. It'll suggest rephrasing clunky sentences to make them more readable. It can even tell you if your writing sounds confident, friendly, or formal, and help you adjust it to match your audience. It's like having a professional editor looking over your shoulder, ensuring that every word you write is clear, effective, and makes the right impression. The browser extension is a must-have. It works across your email, social media, and documents, saving you from embarrassing typos and helping you communicate like a pro. Okay, so we've got our text generated and polished, but where do we put it all? How do we organize the mountain of ideas, notes, and tasks that come with any project? Enter Notion AI. If you're not already using Notion, it's a game changer for organization. It's like a digital workspace where you can build anything from a simple to-do list to a complex project management system. And now, with Notion AI integrated, it's even more powerful. Imagine you're in a meeting and you've just jotted down messy, bullet-pointed notes. With one click, Notion AI can turn those notes into a clean, organized summary with action items assigned to different people. It can instantly create tables, draft blog posts from your outlines, or even translate text right inside your page. It eliminates the friction between having an idea and getting it organized, helping you stay on top of your projects and clear the mental clutter. It's the ultimate tool for a structured and productive mind. Now, for the creative side. You've got your brilliant idea, your polished text, but you need stunning visuals to make it pop. You're not a graphic designer, and you don't have hours to spend learning complicated software. This is where Canva AI shines. Canva has already democratized design for millions, but its AI features take it to a whole new level. With their magic design tool, you can simply type in a prompt, like Instagram post for a summer sale on sunglasses, and it will generate a dozen fully designed, professional-looking templates in seconds. It chooses the right layouts, color palettes, and fonts for you. You can then easily customize it with your own branding. It can also create entire presentations from a simple prompt. It's an incredible time saver for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more, ensuring your content always looks amazing, even with zero design experience. From still images, let's move into the world of video. Video editing can be one of the most time-consuming parts of content creation. Cutting clips, adding effects, and especially dealing with backgrounds can take hours. Runway ML is here to change that. This is a suite of AI magic tools specifically for video creators. One of its most popular features is the ability to remove the background from any video with just one click. No more painstaking green screen setups or complex masking. Just upload your video and boom, the background is gone. But it gets even better. Runway can also do things like automatically track and blur moving objects, generate slow motion footage from regular video, and even create entire video clips from a text description. It's like having a Hollywood special effects team at your fingertips, making professional-level video editing accessible to everyone and saving you an incredible amount of post-production time. Let's circle back to writing for a moment. Have you ever written a sentence and thought, there has to be a better way to say this? Or maybe you need to rephrase a source to avoid plagiarism. Quillbot is your new best friend. It's an AI-powered paraphrasing tool that can rewrite your sentences, paragraphs, or even entire articles in an instant. You can choose from different modes like standard, fluency, formal, or creative to get the exact tone you're looking for. It's not just about spinning words, it's about improving the quality and clarity of your writing. It can help you find more concise ways to express your ideas, expand on short sentences, or simplify complex language. It's an invaluable tool for students, writers, and anyone who wants to make their writing more dynamic and effective. Research is the backbone of so many projects, but sifting through pages of search results to find reliable answers can be a huge time drain. This is where Perplexity AI comes in. Think of it as a search engine supercharged with the conversational power of ChatGPT. When you ask Perplexity a question, it doesn't just give you a list of links. It scours the web, reads the top sources, and then gives you a direct, summarized answer, complete with citations and links to the original articles. You can ask follow-up questions to dig deeper into a topic, and it will remember the context of your conversation. It's like having a research assistant who does the heavy lifting for you, finding and synthesizing information so you can get to the insights faster. It's perfect for fact-checking, learning about new topics, or gathering data for a report. Okay, this next one is going to blow your mind. What if you could build a complete, professional-looking website in about 30 seconds? I'm not kidding. That's what Durable does. You simply answer a couple of questions about your business or project, like its name and industry, and its AI goes to work. It generates an entire website, complete with copy, images, and even a contact form. It intelligently chooses a color palette and layout that fits your industry. Of course, you can then go in and customize everything, but having that initial, fully formed structure built in seconds is an unbelievable head start for small businesses, freelancers, or anyone needing a web presence quickly. Durable can save you thousands of dollars and weeks of work. Now, let's talk about audio. Maybe you're a YouTuber who wants to do a voiceover, or you're creating an online course and need narration. But you're not comfortable using your own voice or don't have a professional microphone. That's where a tool like PlayHT comes in. It uses AI to create incredibly realistic, human-sounding voiceovers from any text you provide. You can choose from a huge library of voices, different genders, accents, and styles. You can control the speed, the pitch, and even add pauses to make it sound more natural. It's a fantastic way to produce high-quality audio content without expensive recording equipment, turning any blog post or script into a podcast or video narration effortlessly. And finally, for those who want to take AI voice to the absolute highest level, there's Elabu's While Play. HT is fantastic. Elabu Labs is widely considered the gold standard in speech synthesis right now. The quality of its voices is astonishingly realistic and full of emotion. But its killer feature is voice cloning. You can provide a short sample of your own voice, and the AI can learn to speak any text in a perfect replica of your voice. The creative possibilities are endless. You can correct mistakes in your own recordings without having to re-record the whole thing. You can generate audio for your social media clips in your own voice without ever touching a microphone. It's a powerful tool that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible for creators. So there you have it. 10 incredible AI tools that are available right now, many for free, that can genuinely save you hours every single week. From writing and research with ChatGPT and Perplexity, to design and video with Canva and Runway, to organization with Notion. These aren't just novelties, they are powerful productivity multipliers. They can help you work smarter, not harder, freeing you up to focus on the things that truly matter. The world is changing fast, and AI is at the forefront of that change. By embracing these tools, you're not just saving time, you're gaining a competitive edge, you're future-proofing your skills. My challenge to you is to pick just one of these tools this week. Just one. Try it out, integrate it into your workflow, and see the difference it makes. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below which tool you're going to try first. I'd love to hear how it works out for you. And if you found this video helpful and want to stay ahead of the game with more tips on productivity and the latest tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for our channel, Rise and Thrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.